Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust magnifier zoom level on Windows 11. So if you use magnifier and you want to adjust the level here, this is the magnifier, like extra zoom. So in order to adjust the level, here there is an option up to 500, and even you can do it more, or try to decrease by the default is 100, then 200 is the default of the magnifier. So you need to turn on magnifier first. You can click start icon and go to the settings and click on accessibility and click on magnifier. Here you can turn on by press Windows logo key and plus sign, and here the default is 200. You can try to increase up to a 1000% it will be like this. This is the maximum. So feel free to try to adjust or increase the zoom level for magnifier feature. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next